Oh, that's sad, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I'm going place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girls and welcome Laga, and I'm back with another video. Finally guys, I received my stuff from SHEIN. These are home decor stuff, so we're gonna decorate together so that we see where we can place them and where we could have it. The one thing that is super confusing for me is this item over here. Let me just show you. So I got this from SHEIN. This is like what is this? Is this paneling? Is that like you can get it as paneling where people can drill, you can get someone to drill it for you on your wall. But because this is not my apartment, I prefer getting like paper so that I can do it. Now I'm not sure if I should do it on this side or should I do it in my bedroom. Not quite sure if I want to use the side of my bedroom like for foaming. Here, one roll removable wood, folks, something like that. I got it in the 45 centimeter times 1000 centimeter, so it will be long enough, but we'll see how we're going to use it. I think we're going to do this together. It's going for 13 USD, so it's currently going for 221 rands. I got this in South Africa the first time I got it, and I probably spent roughly about 600 or 700 rand on Decor. So SHEIN is definitely affordable. You will see it when we are sort of like decorating my home. It's just that I'm alone now and I can't decorate it like by myself because I'm not that tall. I also got these guys. Okay, so these come as a 4-pack decorator, so it looks like this is how it is. So these I got them at 7.99 USD. Convert them into rand, they are 144 rands, so quite usable for the house. You can decorate with them in the bathroom, in the kitchen, wherever really that you want to put it on. I know that people usually have them outside, like on the other, like on the kitchen window, they usually have like plants like this. I thought I would have liked real plants, but I think this one would work better because yeah, I don't want any plants inside the house. I feel like plants are good outside the house, but inside, no. This item that I got from SHEIN is these over here are like blinds. I have installed one, so I got two. I installed one. If anyone wants this extra one, DM me, contact me. I can give it to you for free. I don't have a problem. However, you'll need to create it to yourself. Let me just take it out. So it has this place over here where you just remove this part, like you just remove it and then you stick it up on your kitchen window. It fits perfectly on my kitchen window. I wouldn't suggest it for a bedroom window, except if your bedroom window looks like a kitchen window. Not even the bathroom window. You know, the bathroom window is a little bit smaller, but the kitchen one is a little bit bigger, so this fits perfectly on the kitchen. I got this for 134 rands. In terms of USD, this is about 10 USD, right? Yeah, 10.23 USD. So quite affordable, and like it's dark like throughout my house. I have it over there, so that's why I keep on looking that side. So I have it that side, and it sort of like fades everything dark on the other side. So I'm kindly enjoying this. I thought though that it looked like a, what's this? I thought it was like blinds, but to my surprise, it's not like blinds. I think it was advertised to sort of like look like blinds. Let's look at the picture. Guys, comment down below what do you think. Does it look, or maybe it just looks like blinds to me. However, it's not. I think these are perfect for content creators because sometimes we don't want light coming in because the light works against the camera. So something like this would definitely work perfect. However, I have curtains that are blackout. Is that what you call the curtains? Got this lovely plant over here, guys, for, I'm not sure if I want to put it in my bedroom or do I want to have it outside. However, it is advertised as something that you can put inside. Guys, for me, I thought like this thing comes like as a tree where you can just build a tree, but it just comes as leaves, and there is a point where you can sort of like connect it. Then you would need to buy a big pot plant so that you can put it in and you put in sand, something like that. I think so, because the other one that I opened is just leaves that you connect. Yeah, it's not a tree. I thought I thought it would come like in something like a tree where you would have, well, not like a plant, like where you need to connect it so that it looks longer. However, this one does not come like that. It comes just like as one branch, and then you have to connect, sorry, one plant or sort of like tree, and then you have to connect the plants inside. So yeah, I didn't expect it to be like that. Now what I think I'm gonna do is that I'll get a bigger pot plant so that it looks like it is big. It gives the illusion that it's big, because that's what I thought I was gonna get at Chinatown until I saw them on SHEIN, and I was like, yeah, let's try them out. This is currently going for 14.4 USD. In terms of South African rands, it's 245 rands. Super affordable, but is it sort of like doing what it's supposed to do? I'm not quite sure. We'll do it together and I'll comment on that later. Oh, next thing I got is this lovely album over here. I feel like this album will work perfect for my baby's picture. I had an album, or I think I got it. Well, I got an album. It's just that when I opened it, it wasn't what I thought. So I got it from Crazy Stores, and I was like, guys, let me just get another album, because what I got there was not what I thought. This is 100 sheets, so I think we'll have this for quite some time, or maybe not, maybe I'll need a bigger one. This is currently going for 3.45 USD. It's 59 rand, so super affordable as well. I don't know anywhere where you'll get this at such an affordable price, because it is good quality. It's like the olden quality that we used to have, as like what our parents used to have. Like, look at that. Love the material down. Yeah, love it, guys. It also has this detail over here, so it should be something that's gonna last us. So I'm gonna put in my baby's pictures and let's see how it is. Thing I got, guys, are these decorative picture, I think picture what is it called? It's called blackboard for pictures. So I thought I would have them like around here, just like have a lot of them. It says that this is a 15 piece. Okay, so if it's a 15 piece, we should be able to put some like around. I'm thinking I already have A4 sizes, so I was thinking I can put the A4 sizes and then put the pictures all around it. So yeah, I hope it's gonna work out. We'll see how it goes. So this over here, guys, is currently going for 7.14 USD. Convert that into South African rands, that's 122 rand. Again, this is another product that I won't think you'll find it on our grounds in South Africa for that price. So the price point is top tier. Love SHEIN for that. They are super affordable, and the stuff that you get there, it's not like it's low quality or it's not good quality. I know that it's good quality. I've been using their stuff for quite some time. So yes, guys, this is it over here. That I got, guys, is a shower caddy. That's what they call it, but it's that thing that you use to hold your soaps. So you will see a video over here, so that, because I have installed it already and I feel like it is top tier. It's perfect for me. So I got that at 9.2 USD. That's about 157 rands, which is super affordable, because yeah, where will you get that here in South Africa? The price point when it comes to SHEIN is top tier. So yeah, guys, do you think you're gonna get any of these things? Do you like them? Do you not? Which item do you like so far, and what do you think about the decorations? Yeah, let me know. Is there something you'll be getting out of this? Anyway, my love, please leave me a lovely comment down below. Please like the video so that we'll create more videos like this. Like and share so that it goes out to a wider audience. Anyway, I'll definitely see you in my next upload. Love you loads. Bye.
I don't want pull no trigger. I just want